Okay, you guys, look at this. Our first full dozen eggs. It took us 11 days to get here, but we've got our eggs from our chicks. This is really cool, so we're going to have eggs for breakfast. Got us some ham cooking. If we had a farm, this would be coming from our own pigs. Do we have a thing?
I don't want to crack.
We should probably do that over a bowl.
Alright, let me see what happens.
I can't believe you're putting that in the pan without putting it in the bowl first. Oh, a little baby egg. And you put a shell in there. Is that hot?
The pan is here.
Look at it. It even looks cooler than like a store egg. So weird. Alrighty. Dropping another.
Shells are really thick.
And we're going to be saving the shells to give to the chicks because it's good for them.
For the next round?
For the next round, so we can get another dozen. We got to do better than one egg a day. So these are kind of tiny, but they're supposed to be really, really good. So, let's see what happens. How many eggs are we planning on cooking?
3 or 4 dozen if we have them. Alright, we'll go with the big one now and see.
Alright. Alright, this is the biggest one we got from the chick.
Oh, double yolk!
Double! Hey! Oh, snap! This is gonna get good.
We don't even bought that.
Get out of here! Yeah. Hey, Marnie, are you being patient? Good girl. Pretty girl. I gotta get your breakfast together, too. Alright, we got another double. Double, double?
No, that was
No,
big.
that was a big one,
There's a
though.
lot in there.
Is that what we're doing?
Yep.
Okay. Look at the eggs that are cooking. Beautiful. Alright, so here's the eggs. This is double yolk. And then I got my little baby egg. And then another egg. So, let's see. So we got our breakfast. And maybe a moment of truth. Let's see. Did we get any runny out of this? Oh, there's no runny.
I got a little.
I got a little bit. Okay.
Well, they don't get a lot of these.
Yay! Yay!
See how orange looking the yellow is?
Yeah. Alright, here is the moment of truth. Let's see. You gotta have me some toast. Alright, let's have a big old piece. Oh, that's good.
See how strong it is?
Yeah, that's different.
When
That's
you-
definitely not
when you
like
get the
store
yellow,
bought.
If you go, when you go like this, go like, it's a strong taste. You don't get that in a commercial egg.
Mmm. Oh yeah, with the harder one, with the egg where it's not as runny, yeah, you can really tell a difference. I'm very happy. I did this. I didn't go to a store. I went out back. I had to fight Dumpling, our rooster, off. He was getting a little feisty. But worth it. That's good. Hey guys, I'm just bringing you out here so you can see. I don't know how this is going to come through on camera, but the sky is getting pretty dark. We've got a tornado warning that just came through, so they told us to take shelter, and of course I'm outside. Like, the foolish one that I can be sometimes. Sky is really dark. Oh boy. So this is like the second. We had like a mini tornado less than a week ago, and now we've got a tornado warning right now. But as you guys can see, I mean, it's pretty calm. I mean, the wind hasn't started picking up yet, so I guess we'll give it a little bit of time and see what happens. Look at this. Craig got a warning from the internet about the tornado that is on its way. That's odd. It's never happened before. We got a little bit of movement and the rain is coming in. So, yeah. Starting to pick up a little bit. Got a paper bag moving up the street. Oh, it's getting darker. Hey, little Sita, what are you doing?
Alexa, read my notification.
One new notification. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for. It'll be in effect until July 18th, 4:45 p.m. EDT.
We got the rain coming in on the porch. The porch is getting soaked. The wind isn't too bad yet.